Doug here from Dhamma Delaware with a construction update after 5 weeks on our renovation project of Building 3, where we'll be adding 29 rooms with private bathrooms for students. A lot went on this week and a lot didn't get done this week. In any event, here we are, same place we started last week. Now we've dug a foundation for the addition at this end of the building and at the other end of the building. It rained heavily last night, and so in preparation for that there was tarp spread over top of this to prevent it from turning into a swimming pool, which seems to have mostly worked, but not totally. But anyway, it's hard to show you the hole because it's all covered over right now. But those two have been completed. We fully expected that we would pour the concrete here last week, but unfortunately the county inspectors weren't able to get out here to be able to do that. So that work is scheduled to be completed this coming week, as the inspectors will be here on Wednesday. Then we can pour cement on Thursday. Working on the windows outside has been progressing. It's a tedious process apparently that has had a couple of guys working on it each day. We have one total window framed out the way it's supposed to be in the future, and the old window filled in. So that's what it looks like there. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in progress along this side of the building. The folks doing the digging for the water line have not been here this week. Been in contact with them, and right now they're not able to give us the date that they're going to be coming back, so we're waiting to hear on that. Let's go back inside. This week on the framing, we had expected to get one side of the building completed so that the electrician can start in here. Unfortunately, that didn't happen either. We're mostly complete on this end of the building, but not fully complete. The framers expect that they will be able to get that finished tomorrow and make it available to the electrician on Tuesday. The plumbers were here this week, and they marked out all the holes that need to be cored in the floors for toilets and showers and plumbing for the sink. Down in the basement there are large concrete beams that are spaced every 24 inches, and so some of these holes for toilets and showers have run into those beams, so we'll need to drill 2 holes here to create an offset situation with the piping that goes through the floor. That's about where we are for this week. So this coming week we should have electricians in here. Towards the last half of the week, the framers will be finishing up half of the building. The masonry work will continue on. We'll get foundations poured, which means then we can start building the block walls for the foundations, and after that we'll be building the structures for the additions. So that's what's going on this week. Hope you found it useful, and we'll see you next week on our next update. Take care.